Hello to anyone who is watching this video. Today, by a petition of a friend, I'm going to show you how to implement this type of slash commands on your Discord bot. So for example, if I use one of the commands right here, I can use it. It's not working right now because I don't have the bot running, so I'm going to run and should we work? Yes, let's try again. As you can see, it works. So if I type slash and I click right here on the left, I can see of the implementation of my commands, which are there. Here I have these commands which should be matched their description and the usage with the information right here. As you can see, show the logs, status and info. It's the information right here, and the usage command is the information right here above. So if I show you the code, it's this. The first thing, I'm using NodeJS as a development environment, but you can use Python or Java or whatever you want. I'm using CommonJS, so like so. I'm retrieving this instance right here of client. I'm logged in my client with my private token. And the first thing I'm doing is calling this async function, which allows to check if there's a command right here. First of all, I'm going to retrieving all the commands which are defined in my current Discord application right here, and for all available command on my file right here, which I'm importing, I'm looping for all of them and checking if there's not some command which comply with this. Then I'm going to hit a boolean right here, and if there is some change in my file, that means that I need to update the command. So I'm doing a petition to the API of Discord, setting the new commands, and if it's not changed, then I'm doing nothing. So let's try again. I'm going to let's clear this. I'm going to run the bot again and add a new command. So as you can see, I don't have any change, and if I change or add some new command, for example, new call command, very clunky, description, this is a new call command, usage should be a new command, like so. If I save this file and see right here, should be updating the new command and update it right here. Maybe I'm not be able to use it, but let's try. No, it's not working because I don't have the new commands. I'm going to log out from Discord and log in again. So let's try. and here I'm going to try again, new command, and you can see that I've add this command right here and match with the command I have right here. So if any weird problem occurs, make sure you have enabled the permissions to use the commands in the developer portal. That's very common problem. It's very important, but it's very easy to find out. And yeah, that's all.